In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find iCloud Mail SMTP settings. If you're adding your iCloud account to a third-party email app like Outlook, Thunderbird, or a mobile mail client, you'll need the correct outgoing mail or SMTP settings so your messages actually send. Think of SMTP as the mail truck that carries your outgoing email to its destination. Without it, your messages won't leave your outbox. Here are the official details you should enter in the outgoing mail section of your app. The SMTP server is smt.mail.me.com. Use port 587, which is the recommended modern port for sending mail securely. For security, select SSL, TLS, or Star TLS. Both provide encryption, and your app may label this as a secure connection or encrypted connection. Make sure authentication is turned on for SMTP. For the username, enter your full iCloud email address exactly as it appears, including the domain. For the password, use an app-specific password, not your regular Apple ID password. That last part is crucial. Many apps can't use your main Apple ID password, so you must sign in to your Apple account online and create an app-specific password for mail. It's a one-time code you generate and paste into your email app's password field, and it keeps your main account more secure. If your app lets you choose, use the same settings as incoming mail server for SMTP authentication. That typically works too, as long as the password you're using is the app-specific one. If you enter all of that and still can't send, double-check that SMTP authentication is actually enabled. Without authentication, most servers will refuse to send on your behalf. Also confirm the security setting. If the app offers Star TLS, that's usually ideal on port 587. In some environments, port 587 might be blocked. If that happens, switch to port 465 and set security to SSL. While 465 can work, 587 is recommended whenever possible. A few practical tips to finish up. Type the server name exactly as shown. Small typos can cause silent failures. Be sure you're using the complete email address as your username. After saving the settings, send a quick test email to confirm everything is working. If you still have trouble, try restarting the app, temporarily disabling any VPN or strict firewall, and regenerating a fresh app-specific password in case the previous one was entered incorrectly. Follow these settings and you'll have reliable, secure sending for iCloud Mail in virtually any modern email client.